Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more sniper-only matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, choose the right sniper rifle. Prioritize precision and damage. Opt for one-shot kill rifles like DLQ-33 or Arctic .50. Customize your loadout with attachments that enhance accuracy and stability. Positioning matters. Secure elevated spots or long sight lines for maximum visibility. Use cover extensively to minimize exposure between shots. Aim for headshots. Precision is key. Focus on landing headshots for devastating eliminations. Flank your enemies. While most players stay in fixed positions, use flanking routes to surprise opponents. Get a few kills before they spot you. Learn sniper maps. Understand map layouts and popular sniper spots. Adapt your positioning based on the terrain. Understand map layouts and popular sniper spots. Adapt your positioning based on the terrain. Practice patience. Sniping requires patience. Wait for clear shots rather than rushing. Switch to secondary weapons. If enemies close the distance, be prepared to switch to a secondary weapons with greater mobility. Master your sensitivity settings. Adjust sensitivity for precise aiming. Experiment in single-player matches. Stay aware of the circle. Position yourself strategically within the safe zone. Avoid getting caught outside the circle. Regularly practice your sniping skills in plunder mode or custom games. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Use the glint to your advantage. Sniper scopes have a visible glint that enemies can spot. Use this strategically. When you're in a safe position, scope in briefly to check for enemies. When you're ready to take a shot, quickly scope out and fire. Move to a different position after each shot to avoid detection. And that's how to win more sniper-only matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!